Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chromecast with Google TV updates and troubleshoot streaming. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Chromecast with Google TV is plugged into your TV and powered on. Connect the Chromecast to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device or computer. Using your remote, navigate to the home screen. Go to Settings on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select System. In the System menu, find and tap on About. Here, you will see an option for System Update. Click on System Update to check for any available updates. If an update is available, select Download and Install. Wait for the update to download and install on your Chromecast. The device will automatically restart once the update is complete. To troubleshoot streaming issues, return to the home screen. Open the app you're having trouble with. Check your internet connection in the Settings menu under Network. Ensure that your Wi-Fi signal is strong enough for streaming. You can also reboot your router if you're experiencing connectivity problems. If the app still doesn't work, try clearing its cache. To clear the cache, go to Settings, then Apps. Locate the app and select Clear Cache. Try reopening the app to see if the issue is resolved. If problems persist, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Return to the home screen and highlight the app. Press the Remote's Options button and select Uninstall. Then, head to the Google Play Store to. If issues still occur, restart your Chromecast by unplugging it from the power source. Wait for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Once your device restarts, test your streaming services again. Following these steps should help you install updates and troubleshoot streaming on your Chromecast with Google TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.